In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn off tab preview on hover in Microsoft Edge quickly and easily. If those little pop-up previews are distracting you every time you move your mouse across your tabs, this setting can make your browsing feel cleaner and a lot less cluttered. And before we get into it, if this tutorial helps you out, go ahead and hit like and subscribe for more quick tech tips just like this. Now let's jump in. First, open Microsoft Edge on your computer. Once Edge is open, look to the top right corner and click the three-dot menu. This opens the main browser settings and options. From there, select Settings. Inside the Settings page, look at the menu on the left side and click Appearance. This is where Edge keeps a lot of its visual and tab-related customization options. If you don't see everything right away, just scroll through the Appearance section until you find the tab settings. Next, continue down until you reach Tabs. Under this section, you'll see a setting called Show Tab Preview on hover. This is the option that controls whether Edge displays a small preview window when you hover over a tab with your mouse. To turn it off, simply toggle Show Tab Preview on hover to the off position. Once you do that, Edge will stop showing those hover previews, which can help reduce distractions and make switching between tabs feel smoother. That's all there is to it. You've now turned off Tab Preview on hover in Microsoft Edge. If you want to re-enable it later, just come back to the same setting and switch it back on. If this video helped, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more easy browser and Windows tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.